we've got air traffic. Right on. All right, well, that's going to do it for this one. Turns out I showed up on auction day, so it is busy out here. They had me park over here by the high-end stuff to basically stay out of the way, which is quite fine with me. I'm all for staying out of the way. So let's see what else we have here. Porsche. Questionable hood. I'm wondering if that means they're not able to get in it. I bet that's the case because of the damage on the side. Absolutely beautiful car. Absolutely beautiful car. This is a 2022 Porsche. It says Taycan. Porsche Taycan. Nice color. GTS. Outstanding. Look at the wheels on this thing. Nice. It does not have the ceramic brakes, but those are some nice wheels. Let's see if we can open the door and take a look inside. Yes, we can. All right, there's a license plate up there that will move out of the way. We're not going to give anything away here. There we go. Beautiful red interior. Look at that. Wow. I am digging the color scheme in here. Steering wheel is fairly simple as far as the electronics on it. You can pay attention to your driving. Beautiful red leather with red stitching. What a beautiful car. And this is what the label says inside too. Taycan. You got your screen here. It's roughly what, an 8 or 9 inch screen. Clock up on the dash. This looks like a much more comfortable car. This is a driver car. This is a nice car. Oh, maybe someday, maybe if I win that $1.3 billion lottery, I'd have something like this. But for me, the average guy, that's not happening. Not a new one anyway. Oh, look at that. I bet this all lights up in here. Look at that. That is amazing. Taycan GTS. The spoiler is in the up position. Look at the moonroof. Wow. This is a driver car. This really is a driver's car. You've got your performance. You definitely have your handling. You definitely have your luxury. And it looks to be quite comfortable. Unfortunately, you also have some damage up here. And I'm looking at this. It doesn't look bent and twisted. There's the run and drive sticker down there at the bottom, but I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not going to try. I'm not even going to ask to try and start any of these vehicles. It's just not something I need to do. Just the opportunity to be able to come look at them is fantastic. All right, guys. Well, that is 3. Let's take a look at one more. One more for the first video. It's a Ram. Dodge Ram. Really nice body lines. Bilstein shocks in the back. Oh, look at that. Active terrain dynamics. Look at the size of the springs on that thing. Wow. That's heavy duty. This can't be a half ton. This has got to be a 3/4 ton. This has got to be a 3/4 ton. Fuel wheels. Goodrich. Mud terrains. What size are these? Let's see. 37s by 1250/18. 37s. 6.2 liter turbocharged, supercharged. 6.2 liters supercharged. This is a 2021 model. And it appears the VIN plate's been scratched off it. It's a theft recovery. So I think somebody maybe didn't get a chance to do what they wanted to with this. But that's really nice. Let's see if they strip the inside. Is it locked? It's locked. Locked on this side. Maybe the driver's side is open. It's got the bed liner in it. Looks like it's got a vent of some sort in there. I wonder if they got into the engine and took it. Let's see. Nope, it's locked. That's all right. Well, we make short work of that one. It's all locked up. But boy, it's a beautiful truck. Hopefully they didn't trash the interior on it. Let's see if we can see inside. Let's see if we can see inside. Oh yeah. Well, the seats and everything are all there. The center console display is still there. So it looks like maybe they didn't get a chance to do what they wanted to do with this when they took it. I hate thieves. You know what? If you can't be bothered to earn what you have, or even get given what you have, why are you going to take from somebody else? It just doesn't make sense to me. I don't like it. Don't like it at all. But anyway, there you go. There's the Ram. Beautiful truck. Absolutely beautiful truck. This one might not go for much, being a theft recovery, and it's intact. We just don't know what might be under the hood, or what might not be under the hood. All right, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Please like and subscribe. You know what? Honestly, that car probably won't go for too much, especially if there's undercarriage damage and it's going to cost a lot to repair. That's why it's here, because it costs more to repair than it's worth doing for the insurance company to do it. Now, somebody who knows how to take care of this, and yeah, maybe it didn't get run with no oil in it, and the engine's fine, and you just need to replace the pan, or maybe a transmission pan. Who knows? Who knows? But if you could get all that done on the cheap and have a nice driving car like this, imagine. Just imagine. And then there's, well, that one's gone. That one's no more. Let's look at another one. Let's look at another one. We have Lambo. There's no question as to why this one's here. This Lambo took a little hit to the nose. A little bit of nose damage. But you know what? In all honesty, it didn't encroach on the driver's compartment. It looks like the wheel is fine, especially on this side. Look at those brakes. Look at those brakes. Pretty cool. This is a 2021 Lamborghini Huracan EVO. It's a run and drive. I'll take their word for it. That beeping you hear in the background is a machine that's lifting a motorcycle onto the back of a tow truck. Dude, that's a nice looking bike too. Anyway, back to what we were doing. Oh. Well, here we go. Now it becomes a bit more significant. That rear wheel is pushed forward. The rear end has damage. The front end has damage. This is a V10 Ordine de Ascension. And I'm sure I did not pronounce that correctly, but that's what it says. Okay, why am I not getting any screen on here? Let's take a look. Is it recording? Yes, it's recording.
Oh yeah?
Battery's at 68%, and I got 3 hours and 4 minutes of recording time, but I'm not getting anything on my screen. I do love the GoPro. I'm gonna shut this down and come back. All right, shut down the GoPro. I have no idea whether or not we finished up with the Maserati. We just started on the Lamborghini. I looked at the screen and there's nothing there. I think the thing overheated already. It's 60 degrees outside. We're not in the sun, and the darn GoPro's overheating. I'm gonna grab my cell phone and start working with that. So I'm gonna start over again with this Lamborghini. It's a V10 Lambo that it's a really super looking car. Really super looking car on this side. But then you get to this and you realize it kissed something pretty hard. It kissed something quite hard. Look at the lines on that. Even with the damage, you look at the lines and it's just beautiful. So the left rear wheel is pushed forward. It obviously tagged something in the back, or something tagged it. I'm not going to try and second guess what happened there. This is the Hurricane EVO rear wheel drive. Is it rear wheel drive or? Yeah, rear wheel drive. I thought maybe it was all wheel drive, but no. So there you go. I was saying at first that I thought that this didn't look too bad, but then when you add that to what's going on in the rear end over here, I'm gonna say no, it's done. It's done. I wonder if we can open the door. I'm always afraid of an alarm going off. Alcantara door panels. You know what, I might just sit in this one because there's power and it lit up. This is a 2021 model. Still has the temporary license plate on there. I'm going to turn that over. There we go. My goodness, I can tell you what, getting into this is going to be not graceful. But let's see if we can sit inside and take a look at the dash. Okay. Oh man, knocked my hat off. About broke my neck. This is not for me. I need a big boy car. Look at all those knobs. Pretty incredible, huh? Pretty incredible. I do like the interior on this. This is very sporty. The steering wheel, lots of knobs and stuff right there at your fingertips. I believe it did show us that it had 12,000 miles on it. At least the owner got to enjoy it a bit. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful car. Just amazing. Yep. I'm not going into a lot of detail on these cars. I don't know a whole lot about them. I just know they look nice. I'm not going to be poking around them too much because these are the high-end vehicles. If you mess up a Toyota Camry, it's not as damning as messing up a Hurricane. Okay, please let me out. That's not easy. That's a young man's car, but it sure looks fancy going down the road, doesn't it? Sure looks fancy going down the road. All right.